Hello everyone, this video will show you three main types of AC charging connectors which are used worldwide. They are Type 1 connector, Type 2 connector, and Tesla connector. The Type 1 vehicle connector is normally used in US and Japan. It is specifically used for charging with single-phase AC. It has two AC pins, one earth pin and two signal pins. Its voltage is 120 volts or 240 volts with a maximum current rating of 80 amperes. The Type 2 connector is used in Europe, which is circular in shape with a flat top edge. The top row consists of two signal pins for communication. The middle and lower rows consist of 5 pins for AC power transfer. It includes 3 pins for three-phase AC connection and 2 pins for the neutral and protective earth. It has single-phase 230 volts with up to 80 amperes and three-phase 400 volts with up to 63 amperes. The third one is Tesla charger connector. Tesla uses their own propriety charger connector in US, while in Europe, Tesla uses a Type 2 connector but with DC charging built in, so the connector can also support AC or DC charging. Besides, Tesla now offers DC charging up to 250 kilowatts, and it is expected to increase in the future.
Preview.